I have a product that requires just a little assembly. Hi, I'm Fish, your how-to guy, and what we got here is a stand, a boom stand, whatever you like to call it, for your video gear, lighting. And we're going to install it, show you what it looks like. This is your main pole. Please be careful when you get yours and make sure that all the parts are available. You're going to take everything out of its plastic wrapping. You have a screw on for the bottom. You have your 3-position stand over here. You need some room. You're gonna screw on the base. Just simply start to turn. You don't want to swing things around because you may injure yourself or somebody next to you. When this is nice and tight and secured, there is a little handle here that you're gonna unscrew. As you can see, the arms are going to lift out and they're going to start to adjust accordingly to each of the pieces. You're going to give a little force. They will lock into place, all three. And then you could tighten this down so it doesn't slide. And then you're going to stand it up on the floor. Then you could secure everything and make sure this is nice and tight, that it doesn't slide off. And the reason why you have this thumb bolt and this leg here, you could lift this up, raise it to the height you need. So let's say I want to lean this on me. I'll lock this into place. I want to take this out to the field and the ground is not even. That is what this is for uneven surfaces. You take this bracket, make sure everything is unscrewed as far as it can go. It slides over, and then when you lock it into place, it won't come out. Then you have these handles over here that you can unscrew. Place the pole in. And you'll lock it into place. The poles, they're adjustable and they are spring-loaded, as you can see. You can raise this all the way up as high as you want. We have another bracket and control. We have a second one that slides on for additional poles and supports. We have a quarter thread on one side, which I'm taking off the cap, and a 3/8 on the other side. I can attach my 1/4 adapter on. I can raise my boom, lock it in, and get some nice, awesome aerial footage that you cannot imagine. I can go up as high as you can imagine. How sweet is that? If I wanted to get up on a step and everything is uneven, I simply lift and adjust. So this boom stand that you can put lighting, microphone, cameras, whatnot, a heavy duty weighs about 15 to 17 pounds. And when you start to add additional gear to it, it's going to be an awesome product for your photography and videography. So I hope this product that you're looking for is going to be awesome for your needs. Man, you could go up high, you can keep it low. There's a lot you can do with this heavy duty, strong boom stand. Hope you enjoy your product.